So, can you give me an example of how it works? I mean, I know you guys are set up here. Is there an example of how it works these shows?
Sure. If you just come over here for a second. So what we have here is that this is the actual server where the administrator define the application. So they would select card type. I'm going to define the card type. And I've pre-populated here, but you can see all the various different health summaries, claims information, treatments, messages, applications, questionnaires. So I'm going to open up allergies, and you can see I've got various different types of allergies. And then what you can do is you can find all the various different attributes now in terms of how you want that data to display, whether it can be updated, where it can be shared, and all the rights and privileges of that data. So what we've done now is that the company or the organization does not have to now code this for all the various different platforms. We define the application once. Our system translates it into the various different platforms. Now I'm going to show you the actual. I downloaded that particular application. And there we see it's a secure health application. It's totally secured on the phone. What we're going to do next is here. I've had to select a PIN, which unlocks the cryptology of the phone, and I didn't have to remember any URLs. I didn't have to remember usernames or passwords or challenge questions or navigation. I'm now presented, if you look at the application here, I'm presented with a very easy to use application that allows health organizations to start publishing all their health information to the mobile phone. So I'm going to give you an example here. So here's an example of claims information that can come from various different third-party systems that may be completely not even connected to that particular organization. So now we're going to take a look at here. Let's go into messages or questionnaires. As what we found is really important to keep track of what the individual's health is, whether you're doing disease management, case management, and one of the best ways to do that is being able to ask very detailed questions that happen very, very quickly. So what we've done here is we've built a capability, as you can see, as soon as I answer a question, I get the next question automatically. So I can go to very complex type of questions.
So it's very user-friendly.
Very user-friendly. Click, 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 I'm done. So it's not like I'm going to say, well, I've got a million of these. It takes 15 minutes to answer 2 or 3 questions. I'm not doing it. So that's one of the things we did was on the questionnaire side. And just go back to the main menu here. Let's take a look at another area there. We've got all sorts of encrypted messages from my doctor or my case manager. I can set up guest users. I can import and export HL7 type data. I can generate one-time passwords for signing on to other systems. Let me take you now into my treatment plans, and then take you into my health summaries here. So I've got all my demographics, my insurance information, emergency contacts, all my allergies, immunizations, meds, diagnostics, family history, social continuity of care type record. Really good for not just yourself, but when you're managing the health of your elderly parents, and you've got all your kids and your spouse and what's called the sandwich generation, it really allows you to have all the healthcare information.
Now, where can you see more of this at? I mean, where can you go online and see sort of example of this?
What we do is we sell this and work with this solution. We take it into health insurance plans, and we take it into government organizations and providers. So if you are a member of Health Partners, which is a integrated healthcare insurance and provider service out of Minneapolis, you now can download this application. The first 2 apps they're doing a specific version for high-risk prenatal, and the other one is for hospital discharge, people with chronic conditions. Or you can do is you'll see today is that the U.S. Army is presenting their mCare solution, and they're using it for helping wounded warriors cope with their treatment programs to move on to the next stage of their career.